SEOscience.com.
In case anyone's completely new to backlinking, it would be helpful to provide a bit of an explanation on it. So the anchor texts that you use, there are all different strategies depending on what you're trying to do.
Yeah.
So if you're trying to promote a brand, you might use the brand name. Some people link to homepages of websites or specific pages. I mean, could you give us a bit of an overview of anchor texts and how to approach them when you're guest posting and inserting links?
Sure. Sometimes the choice is taken out of your hands by the website. A lot of the times they'll kind of say, hey, we don't allow direct match. We only allow generic. A generic anchor is kind of like, here, check this out. This website over here, something generic like that. You can get around that by putting the anchor text you want to rank for near that generic term.
Yeah.
You can also have a URL link, which is literally like you can put in www.co.uk.com, whatever. They're hard as well because most people don't like naked URLs. So they're pretty hard to do, but it's doable. You can find them. They're out there. Then you have the direct keyword, which you literally use the keyword you want to rank for as the anchor itself. That's kind of the most popular. And like you just said, branded as well. But again, a lot of people use a branded term near a term they want to rank for, the keyword they want to rank for. It also, with branded terms, it becomes even more important that the content is very narrowly related to what your industry is. Whereas if you just use a keyword, again, using water bottle, you can fit that into so many different like use cases and terminologies. But if you're using the brand of the water bottle, the article's pretty much got to be about the water bottle, or like pertaining to water bottle usage, right?
Yeah.
There is a kind of different use case for each one. And it does kind of depend what you want to do. But if you put the keyword near any anchor, it's going to work. But using the keyword as an anchor itself is usually the most powerful way to go. But you've got to do it in a kind of non-promotional way, in a way that the webmaster, him or herself, has like naturally kind of linked to you as a useful resource if you link into content, like useful content or a useful product or service. Obviously, product or service is harder to link to. Content is easier to link to. So like where people use a blog post as a sales funnel or a video as a sales funnel or something like that, linking to that is easier because you're kind of saying, hey, this information is useful. Whereas if you're saying this product or service is useful, it's quite hard to kind of get away from this non-promotional kind of writing. So there is a kind of knack to it that makes it work. But on the face of it, those are the different kind of anchors the most businesses will look to place. Most businesses will look to use through both link inserts and content. Obviously, with a link insert, it depends on the website. Some of them will just let you insert the link, but if they're just letting you insert the link of however many words, the content is going to be harder to fit that link into. So usually if you speak to a webmaster about a link insert, you can usually insert like a nice paragraph, which lets you contextualize the link a bit more and add a bit more flavor to the post. And if they're not letting you do that, it's like kind of like it's a bit of a red flag, really. Because it's better for their site and it's better for your link.
Definitely, yeah.